How to fix Instagram story frames option not showing. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to fix Instagram story frames option not showing. This feature can sometimes vanish, leaving you without those cool frame effects. Actually, I had this problem myself a while back. It was frustrating not being able to add those cool frames to my stories. So to fix Instagram story frames option not showing. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom left corner. Tap the three lines in the top right corner. This will open your settings. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Help. From there, select Report a Problem. A pop-up window will appear. Select Report Problem without shaking. Tap Include and Continue. Now write a clear message explaining your issue. Something like, I'm having problems with the story frames option not showing. I need this to be fixed. Once you've written your message, tap Send in the top right corner. Instagram support will typically respond within 24-48 hours. In my case, it took about 24 hours. When I logged back in, the story frames option was magically back. With these simple steps, you should be able to fix the missing story frames issue and start adding those creative frames to your Instagram stories. Hopefully, these steps help you fix story frames option not showing on Instagram. And this is how to fix Instagram story frames option not showing. If you have any questions about Instagram story frames, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.